Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of DIY Investing Education. And today we're going to talk about growth stocks versus dividend stocks. I'm sure you've heard these terminologies before. So what is a growth stock? What is a dividend stock? What is a dividend? Let's find out right now in this episode. I'm going to give you a few examples and a nice overview of the difference really between the two types of stocks. So it's important to understand what a dividend is. A dividend is basically a share of a corporation's profits that's being returned to us or you, the shareholder, right? That's what a dividend is. It's a share of a company's profit. So for example, TD Bank is a dividend stock because it actually has a dividend, and typically a dividend stock will have an annual yield, right? This is kind of, think of it like an annual interest rate, and this is based on the dividend rate per share. So it's an amount, it's a dollar amount per share that's given out to you typically on a quarterly basis every 3 months. So if we look at TD Bank's dividend history, by the way, as you could see, the latest dividend on July 9th is $1.05. So that's $1.05 per share, right? So for every TD Bank share that you own, you get $1.05 on a quarterly basis. And remember that these dividend rates per share, they could go up or down with time, right? They could change every quarter, they could change annually. So that's very important for you to understand. So if you basically do, $1.05 times 4, that's kind of like the annual dividend rate. And if you divide that by the current stock price or the stock price that you buy it at, that will give you more or less your annual yield, for example. And that's how you get that 4.45, but that we'll cover in another episode. So dividend stocks by definition give out a dividend typically on a quarterly basis or a share of its profits to the shareholder. And you'll typically see div yield or dividend yield, which is an annual yield. So another example would be JP Morgan, right? This is an American stock that has a dividend. You have Bell Canada. I wanted to show you this example because it's possible that corporations reduce substantially or eliminate their dividend altogether. Bell recently reduced their their dividend rather substantially. Some of them will increase it over time and some could be eliminated. So that's basically what a dividend stock is. It's a company that gives out a dividend or a share of its profits, typically every quarter to its shareholder. A growth stock, now a growth stock typically does not have a dividend, or that corporation does not give out a dividend, and typically sometimes reinvests their profits into growing the company more, like research and development, things like that. So an example would be Shopify, and a lot of technology companies are considered growth stocks. A lot of them don't have dividends. They reinvest their profits into R&D. So Shopify is a good example here. It's a Canadian company. There's no dividend. That's why you see the dividend yield is 0. Tesla's another, growth stock, considered a growth company. There is no dividend. Doesn't mean it's not going to be profitable or not profitable. But again, Amazon is a great example of a very profitable company that does not have a dividend. So growth companies really focus on growing their share price, growing the company over time, over distributing profits to investors. Maybe Amazon will come out with a dividend, it's possible, but it doesn't mean, just because a stock has a dividend, for example, doesn't mean it can be considered a growth company or growth stock. And a perfect example would be Apple and Meta. So these are technology companies, they're growth companies, considered growth companies typically, and Apple has a small dividend, and Meta also initiated a small dividend as well. So just because a stock has a dividend doesn't mean it cannot be considered a growth company as well. So just want to make sure you keep that in mind. So that's really the difference when we say dividend stocks and growth stocks. This is the overview or high level view, the difference between the two. So stay tuned for the next couple of episodes, because we're going to do a little bit more deep dive into dividends and yields, annual yields, and how you get paid with dividends. Quite a few episodes coming up on dividend and dividend stocks. And make sure to give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it on this video. Send it to your friends and family who are new to investing, because there's going to be a bunch of episodes going over the very basic and important aspects of investing. So take care, everyone, and see you next time.